Hello everyone, welcome to Red Solution, the number one destination for mastering the intricacies of chemical analysis. Whether you're a seasoned researcher, a budding student, or a curious scientist, our channel is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge required to confidently tackle a variety of analytical techniques. From the precise determination of calcium levels to the accurate measurement of protein content using the KJ method, we'll delve into the step-by-step procedures, essential equipment, and troubleshooting tips that will elevate your analytical progress. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of fat extraction and fiber analysis, revealing the secret behind these techniques. Our expert demonstration will ensure that we achieve reliable and reproducible results. So, whether you are seeking to enhance your research capabilities or simply to satisfy your scientific curiosity, subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share our video with your peers. Together, let's create a vibrant community of analytical enthusiasts who are empowered to make a difference in the world of science.